I'm David Minigan, architect in residence at Belmont University, and we are standing at the birthplace of Music Row. In 1954, Harold and Owen Bradley bought a house and created the first studio. Hundreds and hundreds of hits have been made in the studios that are a part of this complex. Now it's become the home of Belmont University's Curb College, the heart of the Music Row campus. Music is still happening on Music Row, and we're thankful to be a part of that. Well, what excites me about what we are creating here on Music Row is the ability to lean into what Belmont is really all about: creativity, innovation, and people of character. We're standing at the very top of Buddy Lee attractions, but you know, it's really not about the space itself. It's really about how what we're doing at Belmont University is transforming the entertainment world. We're looking at the construction of a soft study area for part of the songwriting suite. When the students come down here, they spend all day down here on Music Row, and so we need to create great spaces for them to collaborate in addition to their academic study spaces. If you can imagine, we are standing in what will be the lobby of our new facility, the third phase of this part of the Music Row campus. It will be a 6-story building. It will have a large lobby with collaboration space and first floor venue. There will be a center for mental health in the entertainment industry. And what excites us about what we're doing here is the opportunity for the industry to come together with the students and allow the students to see what it is they will be moving into as they change the world of entertainment. So thank you for joining us down here this morning. I could not be more excited that we are keeping the future of entertainment here on Music Row.